Hi everyone. Today we shall look into the next or a different kind of a situation when the rate of interest and the installments are given but total cash is not given. Total cash price is not given. So they have given us the interest rate and the installments but the total cash price is not given. Under such a circumstance, we need to find or calculate the interest paid with each installment. Now the question goes like this: X purchased a TV on hire purchase system. As per terms, he is required to pay 3,000 down, 4,000 at the end of the first year, 3,000 at the end of the second year, and 5,000 at the end of the third year. Interest is charged at 12% per annum. You are requested or you're required to calculate total cash price of TV and interest paid with each installment. So this is the question. So in this question, they've said that the down payment was 3,000 and they've given us the respective, installment amounts, okay, for the first year, second year and the third year. And they've said that the interest rate is 12% per annum. Here the cash price is not given. So in such a situation, how do you calculate interest? So I'll show you how it is done. Here I've actually drawn the format for you. So there is this hire purchaser. He has purchased from the hire vendor a TV, down payment 3,000, installment first year 4,000, second year 3,000, third year 5,000. So this is the situation, and they've given us the interest rate, which is 12% per annum. What we need to do is calculate the interest. So what we, in such a situation, what we'll start with the last year. So we'll write this or draw this format with the year column, installment column, interest, and then the principal column. So we'll start from the last year. This is how this problem is done. So you start from your third year because this is the third year was the last installment. So third year, they've said that the installment was 5,000. So we will write it there, 5,000. And they've told us that the interest rate is 12%. So we need to find the interest rate. So how do you find interest rate? 5,000 into 12 by 112. So this 112, I got it by 100 plus 12. So we'll calculate that, and you will be getting 5,000 into 12 divided by 112. So you will be getting 536. We'll round it off. Okay. So you have 536. Is that clear? So now we need to find the principal amount. So I've told you in the last video that the principal amount can be found out by subtracting the interest from your installment amount. So we have 5,000 was the installment amount that in the third year minus 536. So you will be getting a principal amount of 4,464. Okay. Then the next thing you do is they've said that in the second year Okay, it was 3000. So we'll write the installment 3000 here. We'll calculate the interest. Now, how do you find the interest? Make sure that you write down the principal amount of the third year, 4464. Add to that the installment of amount of the second year, which is 3000. Then multiply 12 by 100 and divided by 112. Okay, so that is how we calculate the interest. So we have 4464 plus 3000 multiplied by 12 divided by 112. So you are getting 799. So let's round it off and you'll be getting 800. So same thing, deduct the interest from the installment amount. So the installment amount was 3000 for that year. Subtract 800 from that and you will be getting 2200 as the principal amount. Now, first year, the installment was 4000. Okay, it was 4000. So what do? We will write all the principal amounts that happened earlier. 4464 plus 2200 plus the first year installment 4000 into 12 by 112. So you'll be getting 4464 plus 2200 plus 4000. You'll be multiply it with 12 divided by 112. You'll be getting 1143. 1143. So we will deduct. In order to get the principal amount, we need to deduct the interest from the installment amount. Installment was 4000. So we'll deduct it 4 from the principal amount. So what is it? 2857 is the principal amount. Okay. Now, in the beginning of the year, the down payment was being done. So write that down, 3000. Remember, we do not pay interest on down payment. So let's leave that. So the principal amount for that year goes as 3000. Then we will try to total it up. Okay. So you will get a total of, let's calculate, 5000 plus 3000, 8000. So totally plus 4000 and 3000, you will be getting 15,000. And for your principal amount, 4464 plus 2200 plus 2857 plus 3000. So you have 12521. Okay, and your interest amount is 536 plus 800 plus 1143. So it's giving you 2479. So this is how you calculate this particular problem. Okay, when the rate of interest and installment is given but the total cash price is not given. Is that clear? Make sure that it is done in a descending order. I mean, from the last year, write it down from third year, second year, first year. So it goes descending. Is that understood? And when you're calculating the interest rate, multiplied by the particular rate divided by 100 plus the rate of interest. Total it up and you will be getting this particular amount. Thank you.